Today we're making some honey Old Bay turkey wings. First you get your turkey wings cleaned up and ready, and then I'm going to add some Old Bay seasoning. Then I'm going to add some black garlic from Trader Joe's. And some Heath Rouse garlic jalapeno rub. Oh, can't forget about the oregano. Next I'm going to spray it with some avocado oil so the seasonings can stick. Gonna put these on direct heat, get them brown on this side, and then I'm going to flip them over to get them brown on the other side. Then I'm going to get it flipped over, get it brown on that other side. And yes, I have a grate missing on purpose, but you'll see why I did that in a second. And while this is going, we're going to make that honey Old Bay sauce. Real simple, we're just going to add some honey to a saucepan and some butter and also some more Old Bay seasoning. Then we're going to add some Lily's hot sauce to give it that extra heat. Okay, once your turkey wings are done, you just pull them off and get them ready for tossing. Put them in a bowl and then pour over that honey Old Bay mixture. And then toss them around the bowl until they look like this. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.